So let's see what Bonk has for us. This might just be the next Bonk, who knows. Now Bonk is being followed by Bonk and Solana on their X accounts. Yes, on Twitter. You can just go check it out. And that is to tell you that these guys are actually being backed up by Solana and backed by Bonk itself. And maybe it's a big project. They are trying to do this kind of a banking system where they get their own card transaction and so on and so forth. That is not just the cocoa for this video. The main purpose of this video is because of the future airdrop. Their waitlist is currently ongoing, is currently on, so you just need to join this waitlist. So just do 1 or 2 tasks and you're good to go. Yeah, so let's get started with this tutorial ASAP. So just as you can see, this is BonkX Twitter account here with 17k followers. Take a look at those following them. They have Bonk and they have Solana. Okay, the official Bonk and Solana. So that means these guys are actually being backed up by Bonk and Solana itself. So we're going straight into the sign up process ASAP. For you to sign up, you might be needing a VPN. You can go to your Play Store or your App Store to download any of your best VPN to use. Okay, so once you click on the link I'll be giving to you, this is what the interface will look like. All you just have to do now is to click on where they say sign in to connect email. Just give an email, then you click on where they say continue with email. A code will be sent to your email. Just copy that code, insert it here, and you click on where they say verify code. Once the code has been verified, you'll be asked to verify your captcha. So just click on that, solve the captcha, and you click on where they say claim quest. This is what the interface will look like. Here they say connect X accounts, refer a friend, and you have these 2 locked, while here it says coming soon. So all we just have to do now is to connect X account. Come here, just click on this particular one, then you click on where they say connect X. So you just have to connect your X accounts and so on and so forth. As you do your tasks, you get to see your stars increasing. Okay, come to this profile, click on that profile. Yeah, this place you can easily connect your X account, your Discord, your Telegram, and your Reddit accounts. It's just the same procedure. Just do so. Then come here where they say add wallets. Click on it. EVM Solana wallet. Connect your EVM wallet and also your Solana wallet. You can do this using your wallet app or MySys or Kiwi browser to link up. Alright, if you have been following my videos by now, you should have known how to connect your wallet. It's very simple. Just copy the link. Okay, go to your wallet, go to the dApps browser, okay, and you connect. So it's that simple. For you to know the ones that are verified, now look here, they say claimed. That means this one has already been done. Yeah, here they say I should follow Bonk. Claimed. Now they say share a post on BonkX. To verify this one is very simple. You just go to the X account. I've already copied the comments to be used. I just have to come here and create a post using this stuff. Okay, this right up here. So I'll just say, just give something like this. Okay, I'll just give something like this, then post. After posting, I'll go back to the post like this and copy the post link back to the task section. Click on it. Here it is. Okay, so once you read, just read this guideline. So I'll come here, insert the link, and click on claim quests. As you have seen, very simple. Okay, back to quest list. So it has been done. For each sign up, you'll be getting 120 points. Yeah, I think this point is what, based on your points will determine your future airdrop. Then here on this profile, I think I've already shown you the stuff, but coming here, this is what it would look like. Then the wallets is what it will look like. I used software wallets. Okay, you can use your MetaMask Trust wallet as your EVM wallet. So just do this, and that's all. Simple. That's all concerning this, how to join their waitlist. Make sure you get started ASAP, and see you on the next video. Bye for now.